Wala ka na dito ha. Bigla ito kuman yan. Yan ako.
Yung pamilya na apektahan.
There were 3 houses hit by the landslide which were next to each other. Unfortunately, many children from Peho's house couldn't get out.
Nakaalis yung mga bata, ay mga pamilya nakalabas.
Manila, a bustling metropolis brought to its knees by 11 days of constant rain. 60% of the Philippine capital now lies underwater, forcing almost 1 million people to flee their homes in search of higher ground. But rescue workers now face a race against the clock as waters continue to rise, with thousands still marooned in their own homes. Families take only what they can carry and make sure no one is left behind. With roads completely submerged, many have built their own escape rafts with whatever floats. Others just make do. Evacuation shelters in schools and basketball courts are bulging, with families who rely on government handouts to survive. But with resources already stretched, fears are growing for a full-scale humanitarian.
Torrential rain has paralysed parts of the Philippine capital, Manila, with 51 people reported dead and tens of thousands of people forced to flee their homes. Schools, offices and the stock exchange have all been closed down. Rescuers can be seen helping hundreds of trapped residents. The water was up to the waist and neck levels in some areas. This National Police rescuer, surrounded by stranded women and children, explained how difficult the rescue task is. He said, "As of now, it's difficult to rescue the trapped residents as we are battling strong currents with our life crafts. People wait for rescue perched on roofs. Casualties have been reported, with a number of people buried in a landslide in Manila and reports of other deaths elsewhere." This woman, who lived near a creek, said how the flood had affected her. She said, "I got separated from my son when we tried to flee our home beside the creek." The National Disaster Agency said nearly 270,000 people had fled their homes, and damage to crops and infrastructure was estimated at $8.12 million in week-long rains which have been caused by the typhoon Seola. And it's even more bad news for the beleaguered country, as the weather authorities say more rains will hit the northern and central Philippines in the coming 24 hours and have warned of flash floods and serious landslides. I'm Anne Salter, thanks for watching. For the very latest news and updates throughout the day, follow me on our website at ibtimes.co.uk.